Lie down comfortably, allowing your body to relax in the Savasana posture, which is horizontal. Ensure that your head is aligned with your body and keep your arms and legs slightly apart to promote relaxation. Gently close your eyes, allowing yourself to immerse in the present. Pay attention to how your body rests on the ground, feeling each point of contact with it. Deeply relax your head, face, shoulders, arms, hands, fingers, torso, hips, legs, feet, and even the smallest muscle in your body, especially those where you notice tension, inviting them to soften. Empty your mind of worries. When thoughts arise, observe them without judgment and without trying to reject them. Let them flow freely, like clouds moving across the sky of your consciousness. This is the moment to release any burden. Turn your attention back to the sensation of your resting body and start focusing on the natural rhythm of your breath without forcing it. Feel the cool air entering through your nose, filling your abdomen, your lungs, and the warm breath as you exhale. Immerse yourself in the observation of your breath, allowing each inhalation and exhalation to guide you to a state of deeper inner depth. Breathing is the anchor that roots us in the present moment, in every instant of consciousness. Stay there, present, with every breath you take and release, each one keeping you anchored to the now. To conclude this meditation, take 3 deep breaths, allowing them to fill you with calm and presence. Remember, breathing is the bridge that connects your inner being with the infinite present.